Hey, what's up everyone? You are now watching New Touch Auto. And in this video, we have a 2015 Infiniti QL70. And you're actually looking at it right now with the wrap. This vehicle wrap we're going to go ahead and remove, and we're going to give it a new look. Now this video is not a tutorial. We're just pretty much showing you what you can do to your vehicle to enhance the vision and make it stand out from the rest. Now our intentions are to remove this wrap. Then we're going to remove the wrap that's on the brake calipers. We're going to give it a new color as well. So stay tuned if you're interested, and thank you for watching. Okay, welcome back everyone. Now we're going to move on to the next few phases of the process, which we've already completed. We've removed the wrap, we've washed and cleaned the vehicle. Now we're deciding if we're going to keep the wrap on the hood and the wrap on the roof. Once we've wrapped a few panels on this vehicle, we'll decide if we're going to remove it or not. Now next step, we got to go ahead and proceed to the tires. Those will have to be removed so that we can get to these brake calipers and remove the wrap. Our next step of the process will be to remove the parts that's needed to make this process easier. If you're interested and you would like to know how to remove the tail lights on this vehicle, check out that video up top. If you're interested and you would like to know how to remove the door handles on this vehicle, check out that video up top. If you're interested and you would like to know how to remove the side mirror on this vehicle, check out that video up top. I'm sorry, but we don't have a bumper removal video. We're going to go ahead and remove this so we can avoid this headlight removal. The color that we're going for is a holographic orange, which also is called iridescent. Here's the color for the brake calipers, which is a reflective green. As you can tell, this customer here is a Miami Hurricane fan. Here's the day view, and here's the night view. And that concludes the end of this video. We've completed every step to the process for vinyl wrapping this vehicle. We've also placed that green on the front to give it that extra Miami Hurricane theme. We've given this vehicle a new look, new feel, and a new touch. We replaced the wrap on the hood, but we kept the black on the roof because it flows better with the black tint on this vehicle. So we're going to get this vehicle outside so you can give us your comment. Let us know what you think. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.